Yo, what up? Right, we got some very important stuff to talk about right here. Right? This thing is going on. Well, it's not going on yet, but it's about to start, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you finish. Let you finish? Somebody ate my whole chicken. Be right back.
Yo, I gotta go somewhere safe for this nigga won't talk to me. Interrupt me. I'm trying to make a YouTube video for America. I gotta take a dump anyway, yo.
Yo. I'm gonna let you finish. But somebody wasted my whole soul. Can't believe this, man.
Man, what? I'm in the bathroom. I just want to finish talking. Okay. Here it goes. He's behind me, isn't he? Okay, man. Yo, what do you want? Why do you keep interrupting me?
I just want to say we're coming out with a new show.
Oh, that's what I was going to talk about.
You should have just told me.
Man, what
Hey, cause you should have just told me that, man.
You didn't even let me finish, though.
Well, anyways. Yo, we're coming out with a new show.
Peace.
Idiot.